Hi guys, my name is Jeanine Amapola and welcome to my channel. And if you are coming from the last video, which is my bedroom tour, to see the rest of my house tour, then you made it, here we are. But if you aren't up to date, my name is Jeanine. I bought a house about 7 months ago and it looked pretty horrendous before. I had a lot of housing issues, a lot of things I needed to fix. And you guys, we have finally made it. The house is done and I'm so excited to show you guys the final product. Like, I literally could not have done this on my own. So I hired an interior designer. Her name is Kelsey with Nuance Interiors, and I'll have all her information down below. I'm gonna show you guys the before and the afters, and she's gonna help me walk through the house and explain to you guys why we picked everything, and she's gonna help you guys as well with your house. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final product. Seriously, you guys are gonna love it. And give this video a like if you enjoyed this, if you want more home design types of videos, and also don't forget to check out my Instagram and Kelsey's Instagram. You guys, I'm so excited. Let's freaking do it. Okay, good morning everyone. It is 8:30 and I'm sitting in my living room and my interior designer Kelsey is about to come over and help me completely flip my house. So I'm just sitting in pretty much everything that I've done thus far. I'm gonna show you guys the before and afters, but she's gonna come and transform everything else. My office, help me with all the living room, dining room, everything else. There's gonna be a ton of people here in the house today helping me flip everything. So I'm just trying to get a moment of silence before the storm because it's gonna be crazy. But I'm really excited to get my house together. I haven't been able to host very much because just my floors have been a disaster. If you guys have been keeping up with that on my other previous videos, it's just life has been crazy. So I'm really excited to be able to host again and to show you guys the final results. So I gotta go get ready for the day. You guys, I'm super excited. Let's do it. Okay, everyone. So now the office is being fixed. The whole house is chaos right now, but it's gonna look so good. Back to work. Back to work.
Well, let's go to the guest room.
Guys, look at these chairs. First sit.
Oh, so
My guests are gonna be so happy. I'm so excited. Yo, we have not used this table once because we haven't had chairs. Look at this. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, it is the end of the day. It is now 7:45. We just wrapped up. I just finished cleaning up and everyone has left my house and I am tired, but you guys, I am looking around and I cannot believe this is my freaking house. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing the big reveal. So stay tuned. I smell because I've been sweating all day. I'm going to go jump in the shower. So time for the final reveal. Okay, you guys, we are back for part 2 of the video. I'm here with my interior designer. This is Kelsey. Kelsey, tell them more who you are.
Okay, yes, Kelsey Lamberth, owner of Nuance Interiors. I am a full-service interior design company. I am licensed, so we both do residential and commercial. I started off first in residential, jumped to commercial, and now really back and trying to do more of the residential specter of interior design. If you want to check out my website, it's www.nuance-interiors.com. All the things that we selected for Jeanine, you can purchase and get that information directly from our website, and we can help you guys get the deals that she got.
Yes.
And we're really excited to go into more detail about what all that she has in her house.
Okay, I'm so excited to show you guys my house. It looks unreal. Should we do it?
I love it.
Okay, let's do it. I cannot believe this is my living room. You guys are literally like, it is completely different. Okay, let's start in this corner. Tell us what you did.
Okay, so originally she had a console that was all open, so you could see the cords, you could see everything that was decorated in there.
Not cute.
So I wanted to make it feel full. So we wanted to get something for her to hide everything, hide the cords, hide all of the junk, games, things like that. This piece right here, it does great with the monochromatic scheme in her living room and throughout her house, but it brings in the natural texture, the caning. I love me some cane.
This is like all the rage right now too,
and
I love it.
I love it. All about it. Well, we're really excited about this little corner here. It's kind of like your quiet time corner, your peace corner, but it's also an extra
my books
place.
here.
Yeah, it's peaceful. The lighting, it's great. We also wanted to have some height behind this chair. Again, love bringing nature indoors and bringing something that's found. So we actually found this huge pot from the antique store.
It's
and
gorgeous.
got these natural sticks to be sticking out of it. It's such a different way of, instead of a greenery plant, more of a natural plant. That right there, Nebraska
Furniture Mart. Well, you told them like, okay, you said originally, like I was like, are you sure we're not supposed to add anything there? You were like, no.
Yeah.
Tell them why.
Yeah, okay. So I am a huge proponent of keeping things simple, clean. You don't need to go to Home Goods and buy all the accessories that they sell. I love your Home Goods, but
we do too.
yeah, but that's perfect to stay clean because you're gonna put your coffee mugs there, your cocktail drink there, your book there. Keep it clean. It's the best way.
And the poof is my favorite thing because you can sit here, kick your feet up, you get your coffee, you get your books, and it is the most comfortable place. Like I've been sitting here the last 2 days. I love it so much.
All the textures. We love it.
Okay, so now we're more in the middle of my living room. Tell us what we did here with my coffee table I already had.
Yes, so yes, her coffee table is existing. I love coffee table decor, y'all. Layers. So we took some really beautiful coffee books that we found specifically for Jeanine, and we again found something unique and
That's beautiful.
antique and old, with layering it with her candle game, something she already owned as well as a black vase, and then this really cool antique storage unit that hides all of her remotes.
I love that. Yeah, my remotes were just everywhere before, and I love that it keeps it super clean, so I love that idea a lot.
So one of the things we got from Nebraska Furniture Mart was actually this rug. Something that we love doing, it's very on trend right now, is layering rugs. This one right here, it brings the neutrality, the monochromatic style that we want, but with a pop of color. You'll see in her dining room here in a second that we have a certain color that we wanted to just put in there as a little pop. And in this rug right here, we have the creams, the greens, the blacks, everything that is within this space. All right, so we got these swivel chairs for Jeanine, and we actually planned on putting them in front of her fireplace, but whenever we got to install, we just started talking about how much she loved to host and put people in her living room, and she had the space for it. So we ended up putting them here, and they are just so much better here. It's a lot of fun. You can
You can turn to your friend, or you can be like, I'm over you, bye.
Another thing we got from Nebraska Furniture Mart are these lamps, which at first I know they were a little funky, but I love some really fun character lamps, and they look great in here. The scale is perfect for her nightstands. It's not blocking any view. They're just such a fun addition to this space.
All right, we're on now to the dining room part. Let's go.
Favorite place.
Okay, you guys, we are now at my dining room area, which I'm so excited this is finally done. This has been sitting like dormant for basically like months. I got this table a while ago, and this is from
Crate Barrel.
No, wait.
No.
Actually, it's from
Right?
No.
CB2.
Yes, you're right. CB2.
Yes,
That's
CB2.
why.
Yeah.
Okay. It's from CB2. Now tell them what you decided to do with this.
Yeah, again, we layered it with a rug. Let's start from there. So there's a rug pad underneath and a rug. Love it because it gives it a little bit of pattern and character without being overwhelming to the space. And then these chairs, y'all, they're amazing.
Love them. They're super comfy
They're
too.
so cute. And we did the little bit more traditional vibe of having the 2 end chairs. Those are from Nebraska Furniture Mart and they're upholstered, so it gives it a little bit of a softer touch to her dining table.
Very comfy too.
So yeah, we wanted to go a little bit more simple on her dining table setting here. These beautiful green stone candle holders that are centerpiece with just some olive branch intertwined there. Again, layered with a runner, but it's tone on tone. Love the monochromatic style throughout.
Okay, there's one thing though that we want to show you guys. We don't have it quite yet, but we will get it. It's back here.
Okay, so one thing we all know COVID has brought is back orders. So just imagine with me, there's going to be this beautiful brown credenza with some gold accents that's going to tie in her dining space. We are setting it up for whenever it comes. The accessories are ready. We love the travertine bowl with the large candle in there and the wood chips. Just something very sophisticated for whenever that credenza does come in. We cannot wait.
We are in my newly redone office. Oh my gosh.
Huge difference.
It took a village and a team to make this happen, but I could have never dreamed this on my own again. So tell us like kind of what you drew up for me in here.
So one of the things I saw that she needed again was storage, and this is where she does so many different activities, so we wanted to make sure we could provide areas that would make sense for each of the things that you're involved in.
Yeah.
And previously too, we had the treadmill in here, which took up a lot of space.
Not cute.
So I was like, Jeanine, I think we should probably move that.
Yeah.
That's going to bring so much more space in here, and now I feel like it's just so open.
It is so open. I use this room for a ton of stuff, like working, podcasting, pictures, filming. Like this room does a lot, and so I really think we made it work.
Yeah.
For everything.
And then she has a wonderful desk with her book storage.
It.
She loves books, so we wanted to make sure that she had enough book storage. And it was deceiving. I understand the shelves were like, are they all gonna fit in there?
Yeah.
Oh, no,
At first I was like, how are we gonna get all my books in here? And this looks so cool because again, it fills up the empty wall.
Yeah.
Big fan. And again, there's more storage because I can stick other random things in here and in my desk, and I just feel like this is like so peaceful to work here. I worked here last night and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this.
Yeah.
This chair is so comfy.
The chair is so cute and so comfortable.
Love the vibe of it.
Yeah. Again, the rug adds a fun little detail within the space. But yeah, one of the things for storage doesn't have to be just on the ground. You can put the storage on the wall. So that leaves more, or gives you more floor space back.
Yeah.
Which is really important.
Give us the vision behind that.
Yeah. So we found the sister to what was also in her bedroom. But this one's a larger version. So it stores more clothes, but it also has more storage, clothes storage, for any of her podcast equipment, her books, display. I mean, it's great for that.
It's awesome.
But, we also want to keep it for decor too. Like, simple is more. So we want to make sure that what's up here is meaningful. Like, all of her accomplishments, we really wanted to put that on display.
I didn't know where to put them. Like,
it's amazing. So I was like, that would be perfect here.
Okay, I freaking love my office so much, you guys. Okay, the last thing I want to show you guys before we end the video and head back to the living room is this section. Kelsey, what did we do here?
I love it. So something I would love to share as a little tip. Found pieces are just incredible. It brings so much character to a house. So we found these specific pieces for her. They're antiques, petrified wood, and this beautiful vase with some dried florals. It gives height and it gives layers, and it's just something that's so warm and inviting as you go into the hallway splitting to the 2 different rooms. We are going to replace this and find something new. You'll see it on our Instagram feed later. But yeah.
So bad.
Yeah.
But I ended up adding extra storage here at the hallway. But this was bare for a very long time. I was like, I don't know what to do with it, and you definitely filled this space well. Okay, so this is the guest room. If you guys remember, this was kind of like Maddie's second room. We are still working on this room. The last thing we're getting from Nebraska Furniture Mart is a pull-out couch. This is gonna be where all of our guests can stay. It's also gonna be kind of like a second hangout room. So we have another TV in here, Maddie's dresser. We moved the treadmill into here. And so we kind of will use this room the least, but we still want to have a place when we do have guests. So I'll show you guys updates on that later whenever we are officially done with it. Okay, the final part of this is the kitchen, and the last thing that you added was this runner.
This kitchen runner, it ties in everything. It is from Nebraska Furniture Mart as well. It is just neutral, monochromatic, and it goes with everything.
All right, you guys, that concludes everything. Kelsey, thank you so much. I truly could not have done this without you. You guys definitely check out her stuff down below if you want to work with her, if you want to get all the items that I have. And I'm obsessed.
Oh my
Thank
gosh.
you.
Thank
Seriously.
you. Seriously, it was so much fun. We loved working with you.
Thank you
She's
so
got
much.
Great style.
Maddie hasn't seen the house yet. I'm about to get her reaction.
Literally my reaction to seeing this place. Oh,
I
it looks amazing.
literally was like, Maddie hasn't seen the house yet. Sorry to catch. I know I was trying to get you off guard, but I needed to get your reaction.
It looks so good.
I cannot believe this is our house.
It's like modern and black and white. And
I
clean
know
and
it's
done and
neutral.
it looks so good.
I'm like mid-eating carrot.
A house.
I know we have a house.
house.
We have a dining
I
room.
like want to like break bread.
Should we open up a bottle of wine and eat some bread? These are mad comfy. I used it last night.
Have you been thriving?
Thriving. Look at me. Look at me. I was watching Netflix and I was just chilling, and it's been really dang good.
Look, I look like
Y'all, we have a house. Like, we have not had.
cute.
We get to just sit here and spin around.
And just run into each other. I literally
It's
just
crazy.
I look like the tragic little thing.
And that little corner is literally my favorite.
I was gonna say, I feel like I could have some bomb devotional moments.
Oh, I've been having like the best coffee. Like, you just go here.
It's so, and I love this.
I'm obsessed. And there's like no cable showing now. It's so nice.
I honestly don't think it could look any better.
She crushed it.
It looks so good. Okay, so we're still waiting on that.
We're not doing that anymore, actually.
The
Okay.
only thing left is the backyard.
The backyard, which we're working on.
We are.
Well, all right, you guys, that was my house. That's my whole house tour. What do you guys think? I literally cannot believe this is my house. I walk in and I'm like, it seriously feels amazing. I'm like, this is my house. It's so crazy. Thank you guys as well for making this possible for me. I can't do what I do without your support, without everything that you guys do for me. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is Jeanine Amapola, and my podcast, which is Happy and Healthy, as well as all of Kelsey's information down below. She's gonna have a ton of resources where you guys can get all the links to the products, and you can even work with her as well. So make sure you guys check out those links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.